to Josie Pop. So for today's video, it's a baking video. We are going to make a very classic Victoria sponge. It's got very simple ingredients and also quick to make. So before we start talking about our ingredients, we have to make sure that our oven is on 180 degrees Celsius. And also, we'll have to make sure that you've got two 8-inch like sandwich round tins. Moving on to our ingredients, what we're going to need is everything at 225 grams for butter, so it has to be soft butter. There you go. And also 225 grams caster sugar and also 225 grams self-raising flour. And you'll need 4 eggs and 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk, and a teaspoon of vanilla. So for the filling, normally use like a raspberry jam or a strawberry jam. And also we are going to make like a simple buttercream to go around in the middle. I'll tackle that later. And a handful of strawberries. So what we need also is a paddle attachment for your mixer. Just get that on, so that's secure. So what I need to do first is normally you can put them all together. I'll cream my butter. There you go. Cream this for like a few minutes. There we do. Just to make sure the water is nice. After creaming my butter, I'll then add my sugar. That's it. Cream your butter and sugar together. They're nice and fluffy. And they'll look like this. I'm not sure if you guys can see. So, we are then going to add our eggs. Okay. So 4 eggs. Okay, so 4 eggs. Okay. Alternatively, what you can do is you can just bang them all at once and whisk it up all the way. Mix it for like another 1 to 2 minutes. So that's it done. Okay, and after this, we are then going to add our flour, which is self-raising flour. Self-raising flour, I don't know if it's like cake flour as well in the Philippines or all-purpose flour. So I'm going to add our baking powder. So 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay. Ready. So yeah. And then I'll add my milk. Okay. That's my milk added. And you don't want to over mix your batter, so you only need like less than a minute to stir it. And then I got to add our teaspoon of vanilla. And that's us. Finished. So, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And that's it, finished. So it's so simple. It's very, very quick. Show you guys my batter. So that's it. That's the consistency. So for this one, so we've got 2. So we basically have to just half it. This is now ready to go in the oven, and I'll bake this for 25 minutes. So 25 minutes later, that's our bake done. So it's very hot, and we are going to try and see if we can. Okay. And just clean pan. the buttercream, all I do is half a block of butter, which is 125 grams of butter. So for this one, you just need to beat your box about 7 to 10 minutes. So, and once you can see, there's not that much of a change. So once you can see, it's like white. So this needs another like 2 minutes or something. So once you can see it's white and it's silky, you can then start adding your powdered sugar, rice and sugar. This one is 1 kilo, so I'll use half. I'll put like a tablespoon of milk each time. I'll then add a teaspoon of vanilla. And that's your buttercream ready. So I'll take this away. So you've got that nice thick buttercream. That's ready to go. So let's put that there. So that's our first cake. Then our buttercream. And then what you're going to need to do is you've got your buttercream here, and then you just do that. Strawberries, I didn't realize I've got like the giant one, so I've got a massive strawberry here, so I'll just put it right in the middle. Okay, there you go. I was lucky to have that. And then I'll put the ones inside. So, and this is my classic Victoria sponge.